Yeah, we are live, Marcus Body Coding Live. Notice, you see, this is cold, probably 1 Celsius degrees. Yes, almost 0. But remember, no excuses. You see, we do no excuses. No footwork every day. Are you ready? Watch first. Today, twist number 6. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. That's the move. That's the move. Yeah, no excuses. Let's do it together. I'll switch the cameras. Let's do it together. Are you ready? We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We do a cross with the left. Yeah. Now we're gonna twist on the balls of the feet and tap with the right. Meaning 2. Yeah. And we go 3. Yeah. Now cross with the right and the same thing. Now twisting on the balls of the feet. We twist, tap with the left and twist again, tap again. Let's go again. We cross with the left. Now 2 twists. Twist, twist. Now cross with the right and 2 twists. Now on the balls of the right feet. Twist, tapping with the left and twist to the back. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 2 twists. 1, 2, 3. We can go as well. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is the move. Last time we cross, we twist on the left feet, we tap with the right, twist, twist, tap to the back. Yeah, cross, twist, twist. Yeah, that's the move. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. But wait, you still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice right now. Face to face. I want to see it. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, staring in the mirror. But you see me. Either way, let's practice, okay? We do with the left. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Cross. Now we twist on the left. Tapping with the right. Twist. Twist, cross, twist, twist. Once again, cross, twist, twist, cross, twist, twist. Yeah, let's do it with the count. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Can be also 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's give you a tip. This is an advanced tip. When you tap, you can just move the legs like that, but you can like tap it from up to down. Yeah, bam, bam. Yeah, you twist and you tap. I will emphasize. Look. I cross and I tap, tap, bam, bam, like kicking the ground. Yeah, bam, bam, but with a twist. Let's go. We cross and I kick the ground. I kick the ground. Yeah. Cross, bam, bam, cross, bam, bam, cross, bam, bam. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. Remember, no excuses. And if you really don't have any excuses and you want to get better and better and better and better, meet me with the full tutorial. Yes, check the link for that above, to the sides below. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio. Go to the YouTube channel and search for this move. Twist number 6. Yeah, this is the move. And make sure you notice these are universal moves
Meaning you can do them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, Hip Hop. By the way, salsa on 1 and on 2. Why? Ask me why. I'm waiting for you to ask. Why? Yeah. Why on 1 and on 2? Because you can do them with the right or with the left. Yes, doesn't matter if you do the women's step or the men's step. Yeah, universal moves. So make sure to do them today. And if you have a party today, whatever party it may be, do it today as well. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Because we're recording live. So, let's meet tomorrow again for a new footwork. See you tomorrow.